foolscap or your textbook that in terms of P and Q, what it means that you have to convert to this or this. That means later whatever you do, you got to convert into all the log 10 2s and log 10 3s. Now let's take a look at C now. 7C. Log, what's the base? 10. Log 10, 3 and 3/4. Remember, you have to convert everything in 2s and 3s and one more blank here that I will explain. Now let's try. What's the number? How do I convert it into? Hey, Jingfeng, how do I deal with this? How do I relate the 3 and 3/4 in 2s and 3? How? Can you teach me? Thank you. What is the improper fraction then? Then the only way to come closer to this is log 10. How? 3 times 3. 3 times 3 times 3. 3 to the power of 5 is wrong. Because 15 is not 3 to the power of 5. 15 is just 3 times 5, right? So then how? Maybe I split them up first. Shall we split them up? So I split means what? 15 minus log 10, 4. Now, how do I continue to split this? Log 10. Okay, what do I mean by split, Vaish? What do I mean by split? Meaning, I want to find some relationship between 15 and 2 and 3. But unfortunately, there's no 3 and 5. There's only 3 and 5 here, right? Right? Then minus, this is log 4 got home or not? 4. 2 to the power of 2. And the 2 can come down? Can. So log 10 3 plus log 10 5 minus 2 what? Log 10 2 is what? P or Q? Log 10 2 is P. Log 10 3 is Q. Oh, so I know this is P. So I'm only left with what? What's the thing that disturbs me? The 5. Now, so I leave a blank here. Can you write down this blank? This blank means it is always good to change to any number of the given base. And what is the given base in this case? 10. That means if I can change it to 10, I also save my life. Let me explain. What is log 10 3? Q, right? Log 10 3 is Q. Plus log 10, help me again. How do I convert 5 with 2, 3, and 10? Die. 2 times 3 times 2 will not give you 10. 2 times 5, no good. Because in this 3 number, there is no 5. You need to create 5. 10 times 1, no good. 10 times 1 is not equals to 5. Very good. 5 is equals to 10 divided by 2. So you got to make use of 10 and 2 to create 5. So this is 10 over 2. This is 2p. So you can use divide as well. And Isabel, why do I use divide? No, what happens when I use divide? Become minus. So can you write down then? This is Q plus log 10 10 minus log 2, log 10 2 minus 2p. And what is log 10 10? 1. Log 10 2 is p minus 2p. So the answer is q plus 1 minus 3p. 1 is important. What you are interested in is you are hoping that you can convert everything into 3 and 10. Meaning to say you're hoping to convert log 2 to or log 10 2 or log 10 3 or log 10 10. Because you know log 10 2 is P. Okay? Q. Then log 10 3 is Q. Log 10 10 is 1. So then this will help you. So can I pause the video now? You try and convert 120 into 2 times something times 3 times something. The 4 is easy. You don't let the 4 disturb you because the 4 is just power 1/4. Later on you see whether you can do anything. But the difficult thing is the 120. Alright, so use the ladder method or divide method. You go and divide. So what do you get? 2 to the power what? 2. Argentina? 2 to the power 2 times 3 times 10. Oh, good one, like that. The 4 will not. Cannot because times 5. Because times 5, why cannot? What is log 10 5? I don't know. Because the can. Then one more step. But why don't you use this? Isn't this 120? Is this already 120? 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 10 is oh, because this is 2 power 3, right? 2 power 3 times 3 times 5, right? But 10 and 5, which is a better number? In this scenario, 10 is a better number. Jia Xuan, if this base is 5, then this 5 is good. Because log 5 5 is 1. But if this base is 10, then log 10 10 is good. Because log 10 10 is what? What is log 10 10? 1. Understand? Or if you put 5, later you still have to do 10 divided by 2. Also can. Like you scratch your ear. Then can or Can can. No, nothing wrong. Okay? So the 1 over 4 can come in front. Because to Zahira, the most irritating thing is the 1 over 4. I cannot deal with this. Right? So can you bring it in front? Yeah, once you bring in front, can you split them? Once you bring in front, can you split them? plus do I already know the answer? 2p plus q plus 1. Answer. Expand out. Okay. Don't expand out. Okay. What? Expanded answer is p over 2 or half p q over 4 plus 1/4. Like that lor. Is that okay? That's the final answer. It's okay. Factorize. Factorize. I'll leave it. It's a base already. It's not the power. It's the base. If it's power, then it cannot expand. If it's base, can. It's just like just showing what is 2 bracket a plus b. 2a plus 2b. You expand what? But if a plus b square, then you don't anyhow expand. You better put there a plus b, a plus b. This one, the anyhow expand. Yeah, it's like that. Since set 2 is like that. Right? A plus b square is a plus b times a plus b, right? Then you get a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? Okay. Can? Now, can I start the video here already? Okay. Can I do the